A labelling stoush has seen the largest Australian-owned brewery take on Jim's Mowing, and it's not for unkept lawns. CEO Jim Penman crafted his own lager last year, but now Coopers is threatening legal action, claiming its design was ripped off.
He is the face of Australia's largest mowing franchise. Now that iconic face is on a beer.
We thought Jim's Mowing beer fits pretty well together. A lot of our guys drink beer too, so yeah, why not?
With the vision in mind, Jim reached out to Sydney microbrewers Bondi Brewing.
Look, it's a couple of guys in the shed in Bondi. It's a real Aussie battler company. We just like it. It's very Australian.
And Jim's Mowing Lawn Lager was crafted, said to be the perfect drop after a hard day of cutting grass.
Like a pretty light one, but a craft beer, not a mass-produced one. So apparently, from what I've been told, I don't drink myself, but it's a good taste.
But Jim's newest business venture has caught the attention of South Australian brewing giant Coopers. It claims he has ripped off its design from the original Pale Ale.
I mean, the logo itself actually probably took about 10 minutes to design in the first place, so we don't spend a lot of money on that sort of thing in Jim's. We just put something together. Yeah, it looks all right.
In a legal letter, Coopers say it has concerns relating to the labelling due to its substantial similarity.
I think it's about the most distinctive beer can in the country. I can't honestly think you could make a case that this could be anything else but Jim's, that you couldn't mistake this for Coopers.
It seems the brewers may have found a compromise, with Coopers now changing its tune. In a statement, the brewers said after confidential discussions with Bondi Brewing, as long as Jim's Lawn Lager remains a limited release, it's happy to coexist. But Jim's not going down without a fight.
It's honestly a ridiculous case, so I think if there's more demand, we'll make more.
Geordie Wright for 10 News First.